Good morning, everyone. A critical issue which I would like to talk about today in the tech industry is how can bias in AI algorithms, particularly those used in recruitment and promotions process, perpetuated gender discriminations. This question has been on my mind as I delve deeper into the intersections of technology and social equity. So today I want to share my thoughts on how these kind of AI systems are used in hiring and the implications of bias algorithms and why ethical governance is essential for ensuring fairness among the industry. So for today's presentations, I'll be breaking down the topic into 4 main sections. First, we will explore the digital system involved in hiring process. Next, we'll analyze their impact and implications. Then we'll consider governance and human rights aspect. And finally, I'll conclude by addressing our inquiry questions while reflecting on emerging trends and also future development. Let's start by examining the digital systems that play a role in recruitment. AI-powered hiring tools are designed to analyze resumes, assess candidates, and streamline the recruitment process. These systems use machine learning algorithms to identify patterns in data that can help employers make decisions about who to be hired. However, as I have learned from the Harvard Business Review 2019 article, while AI has great potential to reduce unconscious human bias, it can also amplify existing bias if not implemented thoughtfully. The effectiveness of these tools really depends on the quality of the data that they are trained on. A very striking example is the Amazon AI recruitment tool developed in 2018. This system used machine learning algorithms to evaluate resumes and ranking candidates. Unfortunately, it was trained on data from a male-dominated tech workforce. As a result, the algorithms favored male candidates over equally qualified female candidates. It even penalized resumes that include terms like women's or were submitted by graduated students from certain women's colleges. Despite attempts to mitigate these bias, Amazon ultimately abandoned the tool due to its persistent issues with gender discriminations, highlighting the broader implications of power dynamics on technology development. This case has underscored the critical needs of diverse teams in AI development and continuous auditing of algorithms to prevent the reinforcement of existing inequality. As AI has the potential to improve fairness in hiring but must be implemented with care to ensure equitable opportunity for all candidates. To avoid gender discriminations. Now let's dive deeper into the impact and implications of these bias algorithms on gender discriminations within the tech industry. The concept of power is crucial, as power is not equally distributed among the AI development teams. When the predominantly male team created algorithms, they may unintentionally impede their perspective into these kind of systems, which further contributed to the unfortunate discriminations among the tech industry. As the Harvard SEAS 2023 article emphasized that achieving fairness requires collaborations among diverse stakeholders, in this case talking particular ethicists, data scientists, and industry experts, to develop responsible AI systems. This further highlights the needs of diverse perspectives in decision-making process of AI algorithms. Moreover, the Harvard Business Review 2018 pointed out that if historical data show fewer women in leadership roles or reinforce harmful stereotypes about women's capability, like assumption that women are less committed or capable, the algorithms would likely perpetuate these kind of bias. This has created a circle where women are consistently overlooked for roles or offer lower salaries compared to their male counterparts. As we amplify this issue further, it becomes apparent that the implications extended beyond individual hiring decisions. They contribute to systemic gender inequality within organizations. If an AI algorithms consistently favor male candidates for promotions or leadership positions, it reinforces a corporate culture where women feel undervalued and underrepresentations. This not only affected morale but also stifles diversity within teams, a factor chose to enhance decision making and innovations. Additionally, as organizations increasingly adopt AI-driven solutions for hiring, there is a pressing need of transparency regarding how these algorithms operate. When there's a lack of clarity about algorithmic decision-making process, it can lead to mistrust among employees and job candidates alike. As a solutions, organizations must be open about how they use AI tool in recruitment process to build trust with their stakeholders. In this case, it's the employees and the candidates. As we connect this to governance and human rights, specifically focusing on diversity and discriminations, gender equality is a fundamental human right. However, AI algorithms can be trained on data that reinforce harmful stereotypes about women's capability and interests. The Harvard SEAS 2023 article has emphasized how organizations must recognize their responsibility to ensure fairness in hiring practice. It advocates for continuous evaluations and adaptations for algorithms to prevent them from inadvertently reinforce gender disparity. This can further highlight that achieving equity requires ongoing efforts among the working space. Incorporating diverse perspectives during the development phase of these algorithms is crucial. By involving individuals from various backgrounds, including women and underrepresented groups, organizations can create a more equitable AI system that do not perpetuate existing bias. So, jumping to conclusions, addressing the bias in AI algorithm is crucial for promoting equities and inclusions in the tech industry. Our inquiry into how these biases perpetuate gender discriminations highlighted the significant intersections of technology and social equity, revealing that the implications of algorithmic bias extended beyond individual cases to impact entire community and industry. Emerging trends indicate that organizations are becoming increasingly aware of the importance of ethical AI practice, recognizing that implementing biased algorithms not only damages their reputations, but also stifles innovations by excluding diverse perspectives from the decision-making process. Furthermore, as consumers demand greater accountability and transparency from companies, businesses that fail to address these biases risk losing their competitive edge. So as we advance into an increasing automated future, this is essential for organizations to critically evaluate their AI system that prioritize fairness in their design. This involves not only diversifying the team responsibility for developing these technology, but also implementing robust auditing processes to identify and rectify bias. By fostering a culture of inclusivity, ethical responsibility, organizations can create an AI system that reflects a broader range of experiences and viewpoints and perspective. Ultimately, by committing to these principles, they can build a more equitable environment where everyone has the equal opportunity to succeed, thereby enriching both the tech industry and society as a whole. Thank you for listening.